1999 US quarter dollar coin. Hey coin fanatics and treasure hunters, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a coin that's probably jingling in your pocket right now, the humble US quarter. Specifically, we're talking about the 1999 quarters, the very first year of the iconic 50-state quarters program. But what if I told you that some of these 1999 quarters aren't worth just 25 cents, but could potentially fetch you millions at auction? That's right, millions! Now, before you start frantically searching through your change, let's get one thing clear. Most 1999 quarters are, well, just quarters. Billions of them were minted. However, this was a landmark year for US coinage, kicking off a hugely popular series, and with any massive minting operation, comes the potential for incredibly rare and valuable. 1999 was a monumental year for US coinage, launching the 50-state quarters program. We saw 5 states honored: Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, and Connecticut. These quarters were minted at Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, with a D mint mark for general circulation, and also at San Francisco, with an S mint mark for proof and clad proof sets. While regular examples are plentiful, it's the mistakes that make these coins incredibly valuable. So, what kind of errors should you be looking for that could turn your 25 cents into a small fortune? Let's break down the most significant ones for the 1999 quarters. 1. Double die errors, DDO/DDR. This is a classic. It occurs when the die used to strike the coin has a slight misalignment during the hubbing process, causing a doubled image. On 1999 quarters, look closely at the state names, the motto, E pluribus unum, and even the date, 1999. Strong doubling, especially on multiple elements, is what you're after. Some 1999 double die quarters, particularly on the reverse designs of states like Delaware and Pennsylvania, have sold for hundreds to even thousands of dollars in high grades. Off-center strikes. When the coin blank, or planchet, isn't perfectly positioned when it's struck, you get an off-center coin. Part of the design will be missing, and there will be a blank, curved area. The more off-center it is, generally, the more valuable it becomes. A significantly off-center 1999 quarter can easily fetch hundreds or more. 3. Struck on wrong planchet/mule errors. The $1,000,000 potential, struck on wrong planchet. This is where the big money often comes in. Imagine a 1999 quarter design struck onto a planchet meant for a different coin, perhaps a nickel, a dime, or even a foreign coin. These are incredibly rare. Okay, while not a quarter error, this is critical context for millions in 1999 US coinage errors. In 1999, the US Mint produced promotional Sacagawea dollars for Cheerios boxes. Some of these proof Sacagawea dollars were accidentally struck with a die intended for the regular Sacagawea dollar, resulting in a unique eagle tail feather design. These are known as Cheerios dollars. One of these incredibly rare 2000-piece Sacagawea Cheerios dollars, dated 2000, but an error from the 1999 production run for promotional purposes, sold for $11,500 at auction. While not a quarter, it illustrates the extreme value of mule-type errors from this period. The real quarter mule potential, the 1999 P, or D, quarter struck with a Sacagawea dollar obverse die. This is the holy grail for a 1999 quarter. A very limited number of 2000-p Sacagawea dollars were accidentally struck with the obverse die of a Washington quarter. These coins are known as mule errors, 2 different denominations on one coin. While the most famous mules are the Sacagawea dollar/quarter variety, where the Sacagawea reverse is paired with a Washington quarter obverse, the reverse error, a 1999 Washington quarter struck with a Sacagawea dollar obverse, is theoretically possible and would be instantly priceless. A 2000-p Sacagawea dollar/Washington quarter mule, for example, sold for an astonishing $158,625 at auction. While this is a Sacagawea dollar with a quarter front, the potential for a 1999 quarter to be struck with a Sacagawea dollar front, if it ever happened and was discovered, would easily be in the millions due to its unprecedented rarity and significance. Let's clarify the millions claim. While a direct 1999 quarter has not publicly sold for millions, the potential comes from these extreme mule errors, where two different coin dies are accidentally paired. The 2000 Sacagawea $/Washington quarter mule, which did sell for over $158,000, proves this point. If a similar mule error were ever discovered involving a 1999 quarter, for instance, a 1999 quarter reverse paired with a Sacagawea dollar obverse, its rarity would be so monumental that it could easily command a seven-figure price. These are the kinds of minting anomalies that collectors dream of and pay top dollar for. Also, don't forget the W Mintmark quarters starting in 2019. While 1999 quarters don't have a W Mintmark, as that program started much later, it's a good reminder that the US Mint does occasionally release special, rare coins into circulation that are highly valuable. So, how do you find one of these potential treasures? It's all about diligent searching and knowing what to look for. Grab a good magnifying glass or a jeweler's loupe. A 10x magnification is ideal. Examine the obverse and reverse meticulously. Look for any signs of doubling on the lettering, dates, and state designs. Check the mint mark P, D, or S. Look for any errors like repunching or anomalies. Is the design centered? Look for any evidence of an off-center strike. Look for unusual metal or missing areas. This could indicate a major planchet error or a lamination error. Pay extra attention to any 1999 quarters that just feel different. A lighter weight might indicate it was struck on a wrong, lighter, planchet. If you believe you've found a genuinely rare error coin, do not clean it. Cleaning will damage the coin and significantly reduce its value. Instead, carefully place it in a non-PVC coin holder and consider sending it to a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. Their experts can authenticate and grade your coin, confirming its rarity and value. The hunt for rare coins is an exciting one, and with the 1999 quarters, the potential for discovering a truly significant error is there, especially for those highly sought-after mule coins. So, keep checking your change, because your next $1 million discovery could be just a quarter away.